Alright, so we're packing up. Well, let's start over. This morning we wake up and she says, my lip is swollen. Well, we didn't think much of it. It wasn't that bad that we thought. And then see, when you talk about nature, nature comes back and bites you. Come here.
Look at the picture. Not a picture. Go away.
So this is the picture of her lip. See if it'll focus in a little bit. That's what happens when you talk about nature.
And don't listen to your parents.
So day 3, when it's time to go home.
And school tomorrow.
We have school tomorrow. And in the middle of the night, she got bit by something. And now her lip is swollen. She looks like a Simpson character, kind of. Let's see it. Show the world what happens when you talk about nature.
Nope, she's not going to do it.
Nope, she's not going to do it. Hey, boy, did you have any problems?
No.
No, because you didn't talk about nature?
No.
Exactly.
See, and I listened to my parents.
On top of that, it rained last night, so everything we have is soaking wet, and we got to pack up everything soaking wet. Ah, fantastic. Don't talk about nature. Listen to your parents. We're heading out. We left the kids behind. As you can see, you don't see no kids back there. We didn't have any room for them. We're leaving. We're getting out of here. Just kidding, they're there. Look at that swollen lip.
How can you miss the fat lip?
How can you miss the fat lip? Once again, lesson learned. Don't talk about nature. They'll come back and bite you. Trick Trick, you making funny faces? Yeah, look like it. Dear?
I don't care about you.
Nope. So we're almost home. Just had to give Jayla some medical advice on her fat lip. I can't see her back there. Alright, Trick Trick, did you have fun camping? Did you like sleeping in the tent? You want to do it again? Okay, Jayla? Never doing it?
No, I don't want to see him again.
You're done?
I am done forever.
You never...
No,
Like, this is just totally unfair.
Close up. What about you?
If you pack up my bed, I'll go camping.
So that's a yes.
Like, not the air mattress. My actual bed.
We'll pack up whatever we can pack up.
Because I can't sleep on that air mattress. Me and the baby are not having it.
You'll be alright. Alright. That was our first family camping trip. A lot of fun. A lot of not fun. Because of that one back there talking so much. That's all she does is talk and talk and talk and talk.
She can't talk today with a fat lip.
She sure can't talk today with a fat lip. No more talking for her. Alright guys, take it easy.